Busted headlight bulb. How to replace your busted bulb. We use this headlight bulb to replace the busted one. Remove the bulb cover. You can reach it at the back of your headlight. If it is hard for you, remove the battery to have more room for your hand. Remember not to touch the glass part of the bulb. It might leave fingerprints and dirt. Put all the locks and rubber cover for the bulb protection. Now you're ready to go. Have a safe trip. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.